Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve lead code problem 49, group anagrams. So given an array of strings strs, group the anagrams together. You can return answer in any order. So an anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So this one is one of the examples so they have given us. So let's just discuss this example here first, and we can formulate our logic to group the anagrams. So first, what is the anagram? So anagram is two different words, but we can rearrange the letters. For example, here TEA is one word, TEA is one word, and EAT ATE is another word, right? ATE is another word. So these two words are anagram because T is here, T is here, E is here, E is here, and A is here, A is here. So all the letters are rearranged and formed these two different words. So we have been asked to group these words based on the letters they are formed with. For example, if you look here, then EAT, TEA, and ATE. So they are formed together and they are forming one group, right? Because they are all using three letters T, E, and A. So these are the three letters they are formed with. So similarly, these two are grouped together because they are using T, A, and N, three letters here, and BAT is by itself because there is no other word here which is forming a group with this BAT word. So that's how we have to group these anagrams. So what we will be doing is if so how we can group these words actually, and how we will know that this is a one group actually of the anagrams. So what we will be doing is whenever we are reading any word, let's say we are reading a word ATE, we are going to sort this word. So once you sort the word, then it becomes, once you sort the characters of this word, basically it becomes A, then E, and then T, right? So this is what the sorted characters is after sorting. So we will, what we will be doing is we will create a string out of this sorted character, and we will be using a hash map. So we will have a string called as AET as the key. AET, let's just draw this hash map here. So this is the hash map we have, and this is the key column, and we will have a list. So the list will have the strings which are actually the original string. So here ATE is the original string. We will map ATE here as one of the anagram which are actually formed out of AET characters. So similarly, when we are reading EAT word, again we will sort it in the ascending characters order. So again it will be, when we sort, again it is sorted as a AET. So we will find a key of the string. This is the string AET in the hash map, and see we will just append it to the list. So we will append here EAT to the list. So this is another word that we found. So that's why it is a basically a part of the same group. And the lastly, when we are reading a TEA word, then again when we sort it, it again becomes AET. So we will be just appending that word to our list. So TEA is also appending to our list. So this is our list for AET. So similarly we will form a list for ANT because that's what it will be sorted as, and we will form a word ABT. So that's how we will have a list. So I'll just write down quickly for your clarification. So it is the second key will be A, N, and T because that's how it will look like after the sorting of the characters. So this is the string, and if you look at the list, then it will have this word actual words TAN and NAT. So we will just append this to our list. NAT will be one of them and the other word will be TAN. And the last will be BAT, and only BAT will be there in the list. So this is how we will be solving this problem. So let me just quickly go through the implementation. I have it here. So first thing is we are going to declare the list of strings, because that's what we are going to return, and we are going to create a hash map here. The key is a string and the value of the hash map is a list of string, because we want this as a list of strings, right? And the key is just a string. So that's why we have defined like this. And then we will be iterating the array, and we are getting the string from the array. We are going to get the We will use to-char array method to get the character array of the string, and we will be sorting that character array here, and we will pass the sorted array to create the string here from the sorted array, because we want to use this sorted array string, this one actually, right, as a key. So that's why we have created the key here, and we will check if the map is has that key. It's already not there, then we will create a new linked list, and we will add the string, original string from the string array, and we will put that into the map as a key value pair. if uh, if it already finds an entry into the map for the sorted string, then we will just get the list from the map, and we will just add the string actually into the list, and we will just put it back into the map. And lastly, we are going to just use the iterator to iterate over the map and get, like here we are getting the entry object from the map, and in the entry object the value will be list of strings, and that value we want to add into the list, right? So that's how we want to form this list actually, right? So this list we are getting from this map here, and we are adding into the result, and we are returning back the result here. So that's how we can solve this problem of grouping anagrams using a hash map. So here I actually created couple of test cases. So one of this is the one that we discussed. Then these are the given second and third test cases here, the same. And then I created one by myself. So this, as you see, this traced and deserts. So this is one group, because all the characters are rearranged. Similarly, this night and thing, these two words, they are also anagrams, and 8 word is not anagram of any other word, so 8 will be by itself. So let's just run the test case quickly. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting the correct result. So this is what we are getting here also. Order doesn't matter, you can put it in any order, but the list should be correct, like the list should have correct anagrams here. So let me show you the last one that we created, custom. So night and thing came as a group of anagram, then stressed and deserts, stressed and desert came as a group of anagram here, and 8 came by itself, because it's not like having any other grouping with any other anagram. So it's working fine. So let's just submit this. Yeah, so the solution got accepted. So this is how we can solve the group of anagrams problem using hashmap. If you like the solution, please consider subscribing to my channel. I often post lead code problem solutions and Java and J2EE related interview questions or other things, actually some practical examples that is useful to people. So if you like it, please hit the bell icon so you will get notifications in future. Thanks for watching the video.